Aloha, this is David Buck with Christie's International Real Estate, and today we're going to be doing a tour of Lichenhearth Unit number 33. It's a top floor unit at the base of Snowmass Village here in Snowmass, and I'm going to flip the camera around just to kind of give you an idea of the area here. Lichenhearth, as you can see, is a ski and ski out condo right next to Base Village and the Village Express ski lift. Located at 150 Carriageway in Snowmass Village, Lichenhearth was built in 1968, and there's covered parking, as you can see, and there's also ample guest parking. And here we are to the entrance to the building. This is on the lower level of the complex to Lichenhearth. And as we come into the lobby, you'll notice there's a nice seating area here to gaze on the outside. However, as we go down the hall, there's an elevator that feeds to the top for third floor where this unit is. However, we're not going to take the elevator today. The elevator was not always there when the building was built. It's a relatively new feature, but I wanted to point this out to you because the stairwell has some of the best views of any stairwell in Snowmass. You've got direct views of the mountain right out the back here. As we head up another flight of stairs, you'll just see that you're just literally right on the slopes in Snowmass. Check that out. You see the gondola coming down there. And right around the corner, there is a swimming pool and hot tub. We'll pop right back outside just to give you an idea of what that looks like, but there we are on the third floor. So here we are back outside to come in off a day on the slopes. You can jump into the hot tub here at Lichenhearth. And then in addition to that, you've got a lap pool. So it's a great place to jump in the water after you come off the mountain, say during the spring or summer. Now let's jump back into the building onto the third floor. And now we're gonna go into unit number 33. So here are Lichenhearth number 33. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, here we are, unit 33. This is gonna be on the top floor. And what you notice on being the third level is the ceiling level is significantly higher than the second and first floors below. But this is gonna encompass 655 square feet of interior living area. And although the building was built in 1968, this unit went through a complete remodel in 2016. So you've got all new, hardwood cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, beautiful walnut wood flooring throughout. And on top of that interior living area I mentioned earlier, you do have this outdoor space, which we're now heading into spring season, but you can imagine this just year round is going to be, spectacular views out the, whether you're taking in that snow in the winter or watching the seasons change during the fall, you can barbecue off your balcony here. And as I mentioned, these units all cover with one covered parking stall, which we saw earlier down below. So some of these units over the years have had a partition which they've added. I believe my understanding is at one point in time they were studios. So this is a one bedroom unit, as I mentioned, 655 square feet. One thing to consider is there are sprinklers, which is incredible for insurance and financing, because where I come from in Honolulu, there's a big issue right now with a lot of the older buildings, primarily like built in the 60s and 70s, do not have sprinklers, and they're going to have to get retrofitted. This building is already fitted out with sprinklers. Once again, beautiful, granite countertops, hardwood cabinets, nice high dual vanity sinks here, beautiful restroom. Gotta love the decor being in Snowmass. And let's go check out the bedroom. There's ample space here. You kind of have a somewhat walk-in closet with additional storage. And as I mentioned earlier, these can be rented out short-term. So if one wanted to, say for instance, lock off this closet, perhaps they could, if they wanted to keep their personal belongings in, so that they could just use when they came to town. And so here you have, it's a generous sized primary suite, or it's only suite, I should say, being it's a one bedroom, but lots of room. And then you've got a nice little view off the balcony that we covered earlier. Now that we got to see the inside, let's take another look around the outside in this location, because this is the huge factor of Lichenhearth and why you want to consider owning here. There is not as much snow as there normally is this time of year. We're in early March, and we've got some snow, but not a whole lot. But that unit, if you recall, it kind of faced down valley or away from the mountain itself, so you're not going to get blasted by the afternoon sun. So these units on the other side of the building are going to look up at the slopes. You know, don't get me wrong, that is an incredible view, but it does get a little bit warmer on that side of the building. And once again, you've got Base Village there just to the left as you're looking up at the mountain, and then you got the little chiclet gondolas coming down from like the Snowmass Mall there. And let's take another walk, because this setup and amenity is going to be incredible year-round. Not only do you have the hot tub to jump into after you come off a day on the mountain skiing, or perhaps during the summer mountain biking, you've got a lap pool here. And, you know, in addition to that, there is ski storage that I don't believe I mentioned earlier. And then there's actually a sauna down on the lower level. There's actually 2 saunas, I take that back, on property. So one of the many perks that you have here at Lichenhearth and Snowmass. Once again, this is a great opportunity for someone to get in a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, fully owned condo here in Snowmass Village. Once again, fully owned. This is not a fractional ownership. You could own it outright. You could rent it short-term. You could rent it long-term. You could live in it, call it a second home. Lichenhearth, unit number 33, 1-bedroom, 1-bath. However, if this is not enough room for you, there are a lot of other options here in Snowmass Village. I did a video last week of a Crestwood 4-bedroom, 4-bath unit across Fanny Hill from here, and that one is now priced under $3 million. And this particular unit here just had a price reduction today, dropping $45,000 to now $1,150,000. So if you have more questions about Lichenhearth here in Snowmass Village, or any other condos in the area, my name is David Buck. I can be reached at 808-371-3509. Aloha.